One of the mistakes that's pretty easy to do when you're doing APA formatting is to have the incorrect line spacing in between the items on your title page or in between your paragraphs. Sometimes it's difficult to figure out exactly what's causing it, and it may be that you've done nothing to set the line spacing up incorrectly. It may be a default in your Word settings. So as I'm going to give you an example of how to fix line spacing that is more than double space that's required by APA. So when you look at this title page, you would think that everything looks like it's close but not quite. The best way to determine whether your line spacing is correct is to highlight the section. We're going to highlight the section here. We're going to go under the paragraph setting, and that's going to be this short, this small little icon right here. It's line and paragraph spacing. We're going to click on it. It says that it's at 2.0, but if you go down to your line spacing options, you will see that spacing, your indentations are here, your spacing is here. Before is set at 0, but after is 6 point. So that means that there's just the slightest space in between each sentence or each paragraph setting wherever you hit the return key. The way to fix this is to decrease it to 0. Once you set that, you hit OK, you can see how it automatically shifts to being back to double space. Now, the best way to do this is to start your paper before you even start writing to set up your line spacing correctly. If you forget, the best way to fix it is to go in and you'll hit your Control A, which highlights your entire paper, and then you'll go in and when you change your setting, it will apply it to the whole paper. So I'm going to hit line spacing, and these are blank because this tells me that the line spacing varies throughout the paper. So I'm going to click on these buttons and go back to putting 0 and 0 again, and then I'm going to hit OK. And you can see it already shifted. And it shifted so much that actually I have to move my spacing down again because it shortened all the spaces. That's one of the ways you can tell if you have those extra spaces in your paper. Always double check this when you begin to write your paper, and if you forget, know that you can do the Control A, it highlights all of your text, and then go back under your paragraph feature and hit those line spacing options and make sure that they're set to 0. I hope this is helpful.